Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Suzuki LJ10, a bold reimagination of a legendary off-roader that originally debuted in the 1970s. The all-new LJ10 takes inspiration from its iconic predecessor while integrating modern engineering, advanced safety features, and futuristic design language that makes it stand out in today's SUV market. Designed to cater to off-road enthusiasts and urban explorers alike, the 2026 LJ10 carries a retro boxy look reminiscent of its classic roots, with modern touches like LED headlamps, a digital instrument cluster, and rugged body cladding. Under the hood, Suzuki has opted for a 1.5-liter mild hybrid engine that delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional CVT transmission, giving drivers control and versatility on various terrains. The 4x4 system in the LJ10 is where it truly shines, featuring Suzuki's All-Grip Pro technology with low-range transfer gear, locking differentials, and hill descent control, making it capable of tackling some of the harshest off-road conditions with ease. The suspension setup includes a robust ladder frame chassis combined with coil spring suspension, ensuring durability and comfort even on bumpy trails. Inside, the LJ10 surprises with a minimalist yet functional interior, offering durable water-resistant materials, a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and smart storage compartments designed for active lifestyles. Despite its compact footprint, the LJ10 manages to provide a practical cabin layout with foldable rear seats for extra cargo space. Suzuki has also stepped up its game in terms of safety, integrating features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, multiple airbags, and a 360-degree camera system, features that were once unheard of in such a compact SUV. As part of Suzuki's global push for sustainability and innovation, the 2026 LJ10 is built with recyclable materials and boasts a significantly reduced carbon footprint compared to previous models. Moreover, it's expected to come in a variety of earthy tones and retro-inspired two-tone paint schemes, making it not only a performance vehicle but also a stylish statement on the road. With its competitive pricing and an impressive list of features, the LJ10 is poised to attract a wide range of buyers, from nostalgic collectors and weekend adventurers to first-time SUV owners. Its arrival is seen as a strong contender in the compact off-road segment, competing with the likes of the Ford Bronco Sport and the Jeep Renegade, but with the distinct Suzuki charm that blends simplicity, reliability, and adventure readiness. Dealers are anticipating high demand, especially in markets like Japan, Australia, and select parts of Europe where compact 4x4s have a loyal following. Whether you're hitting mountain trails or cruising through city streets, the 2026 Suzuki LJ10 offers a unique blend of old-school ruggedness and modern-day sophistication. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.